was going to put my foot on it to hold them in there, but I changed my mind. What do you do with all those then? You just leave them?
Yep.
That's okay? That's it?